Hello, everybody. My name is Mrs. Wild, and I am your teacher for biology here at Wisconsin Connections Academy. So this video is kind of an introduction to the course, and I just want to familiarize you with how I run this course. And if you have any questions or concerns, you can always call me or send me a webmail message. So first of all, my name is Mrs. Wild, and some of the video or all the videos that you'll be watching for the remainder of the school year, I will introduce myself as Mrs. Peachy or Miss Peachy. And the reason for that, of course, is that I did just recently get married, so my name did change. So I'm not going to go back and re-record all those videos, but just know that I do go by the name Mrs. Wild now. So the other thing is in some of the videos I talk about my website, and that's something we used to use here at Wisconsin Connections Academy, but a few years ago we started to go to something called the School Hub. So we will be using the School Hub instead of like my individual personal class website. You're probably familiar with the Student Hub. This is available as a link on your homepage in Connexus. For my class, you're just going to want to click on Students, 9 to 12 high school, and then go to those Teacher Hub pages. And when you scroll down under my name, you will be able to see biology. And this is for bio and for honors biology. So again, just kind of an overview of information. We have some links to the portfolios that you're going to need to submit, as well as videos to kind of help you with those portfolios. And there are only 2 for the semester, so that's a yay for you. Do make sure you watch those videos, and I also post this information on the intro pages for those lessons because most of the portfolios in biology have been modified from what they are in the lessons. I also provide you links to the study guides for the unit tests in biology, but these are again found on the intro pages to that lesson. You will be completing these, do the best you can on them because they are your study guides for the tests. So it really doesn't matter to me as much how much of it you get correct, but if you're just kind of randomly putting stuff in or searching online and putting answers in, you'll get the points for the sample work, but you probably won't have a good study guide for your test. So do your best, try to make sure that you are completing them according to what you learned in the lessons and in our live lessons as well. And then finally, we do post links to live classes here, and that's probably, I wouldn't say the most important thing, but this is the only place that you're going to find the live lesson links. And these are the topics we'll be covering this semester. Once we get there, I will post a link to them. If you miss class, especially for those reviews, you may want to go back and watch the recording, okay? So when we get to the class itself, let me see if I can, maybe I have to go back here. Um, so for this one, for example, you'll have a video where I'm going to explain kind of the key information in that lesson. And then you also have a notes guide that goes with it. So you can download this to your computer on Microsoft Word, and you can take notes on it and save it so that you have kind of a digital note taking. You can print it on your printer at home, or you can just ignore it and use your own method of taking notes. But it just provides you with kind of one method, one way to kind of start you off on taking notes on that video. And I would really recommend watching the videos prior to reading the lesson. I think it makes reading the lesson go quicker. There are some things in the lessons that I don't go through in the videos, especially if it's an extension or something like that. But I do go through the main concepts, and those are the concepts you're going to need to know for your unit tests. I think that's pretty much all I need to go through with you right now. So if you have questions, please let me know. Otherwise, have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video.